Off of the aircraft, my heart pounds, sweaty palms and sweaty hands, lost focus, eyes open, whole body watch the clock now, can't turn back, no rewinds. We had wheels down, can't walk forward, nerves got my knees on lockdown, chills up my spine, pressure playing, veins ready to pop now, yeah. Relax, gotta calm down, walk the world with no sound, stomach and eyes, lips ready to let loose. This fear is not true. Salute the flag and I honor the dead. Their souls at attention forever these. Never not me, no lease. Let me an animal unleashed. Off my knees and I'm on my feet. Got courage inside of me. I'm front and squad up, but yo, follow me. It's my team and it's my fight. It's all mine, it's my right. Brothers at arms, loved ones that I follow their praise. One love is more than a dream. Victory by any and all means. Agony to defeat, blood on my boots, patch on my sleeve. Pray for the future you cannot see. Best till I rest in a peace and my body won't breathe. For the widows, they lost one. For the Jews, they lost one. For the heroes, they saved one. And a mission to start one. Us war gun. Rock body mind. Heroes who stand up when the chips is down. When the cloud covers. When the fire starts. When we rise above it. Ice in my veins. Swear I won't break. Whatever it takes. Yeah, whatever it takes. I will ignore them tired eyes. Disregard them short pains. Run fast, excel hard. 60 it is my lane. Yeah. Do you have what it takes to be a hero? A hero. That's my hero. Do you have what it takes to be? Do you have what it takes to be? Do you have what it takes to be a hero? A hero, that's my hero. Do you have what it takes to be? Do you have what it takes to be? Yeah. Do you have what it takes to be a hero? That's my hero. When the smoke clears, I'm still right here. Walk through the danger without no fear, yeah. Do you have what it takes to be a hero? That's my hero. Do you have what it takes to be? Do you have what it takes to be? Yeah.
Lace up my boots, thank God the troops that gave their life to let me do what I do. That's why I'm so revolutionary. They say, how do you manage? Cause since the war of 1812 we've been doing damage. Yeah, so I put my cam on, no Rambo. This teamwork, this real life, no movie script, no DreamWorks. And fear got my heart in my throat, and I know that. But flatline that, cuz I don't really show that. Load up and we roll out. Keep your head clear, focus on the fight. I know we gon' make it home tonight, cause I ripped my life on my left and right, yeah. But the reality is so many young souls lose their life to a barrel of a gun, no. I'm talking overseas and in America. Operation Free Chicago and them other areas. So let our kids grow up with a different vision before we go somewhere else trying to make a difference.
Do you have what it takes to be a hero? A hero, that's my hero. Do you have what it takes to be? Do you have what it takes to be? Do you have what it takes to be a hero? A hero, that's my hero. Do you have what it takes to be? Do you have what it takes to be? Yeah.